Hello everybody. Welcome to EVUS speaking test today. So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Duyên.
Duyên, and how are you today?
I'm good.
And how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6.
6 years old. Tell me what letter is it?
A.
A and
B.
E. And what is the other A for?
Apple.
And B,
Boy.
and C,
House.
Very good. And tell me, what number is it? Number 1 and 3. What color is it?
Black.
Very good. You did wonderful job. I think that is also the end of our speaking test today. Let's look at the camera and say goodbye to our audience.